Welcome to 7th Ave Wellness, your source for health and nutrition advice. We believe that by following a proper diet and exercise, you can achieve optimal health and physical wellness. Today, we are exploring the health benefits of tomatoes, one of the most important vegetables in any healthy diet. Tomatoes are a nutrient-dense food that provides numerous health benefits. Here are some of the remarkable health benefits of tomatoes.
First and foremost, tomatoes are full of essential vitamins and minerals, providing essential nutrients such as vitamins A, B, C, E, and K, as well as lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant.
Thus, consuming tomatoes on a regular basis can help maintain healthy bones, teeth, and nails, while also offering protection against free radicals and other environmental stresses. Additionally, tomatoes are also rich in dietary fiber, which can help regulate your digestion and the absorption of important nutrients from other foods. Moreover, tomatoes are low in calories and are full of water, which can help keep you hydrated and full for longer periods of time, thus aiding in weight management. Tomatoes are also great for cardiovascular health. Lycopene, which is found in tomatoes, can help reduce blood clotting and reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, the high potassium content of tomatoes can also help to regulate blood pressure, as well as keep your cardiovascular system functioning at its optimum. In addition, tomatoes have flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that can help prevent certain types of cancer, such as colon and stomach cancer. Therefore, incorporating tomatoes into your diet can assist in improving your overall health and well-being. As you can see, the health benefits of tomatoes are truly remarkable and have numerous positive effects on our bodies. Not only are they full of essential vitamins and minerals, but they are also low in calories and high in dietary fiber and flavonoids. What's more, they can help prevent certain types of cancer and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. At 7th Ave Wellness, we are committed to helping you reach optimal health and physical wellness. Therefore, we recommend incorporating tomatoes into your diet, as their health benefits are far-reaching. Start enjoying the remarkable health benefits of tomatoes today.